So we're looking at primarily at a big picture, two broad types of partnerships. One would be with technology companies and pharmaceutical companies, and the second one would be with large employers. So if I unpack the first category, which is technology companies and pharmaceutical companies, really companies that are looking to bring proactive measurement of outcomes, of behavioral health outcomes. So and really trying to incorporate voice-based AI for mental health. So those partnerships would be something that would be interesting for us. If you are somebody in corporate HR, right, and want to have a conversation with me or with CompanionMx, trying to see the fit, what would you be thinking about? So the big things, I think, is step one is what wellness programs do you already have in place, and what are you trying to do for your employees? The second question I would also ask is, what is the culture in the organization to addressing some of these challenges? Because let's face it, there is stigma around it, and not everyone feels comfortable talking about it. So how do you address that, and what's that culture within the company to talk about it and to really help individuals? So if it's a positive on those two elements, then we can think about figuring out if and how we could bring this proactive measurement and monitoring element that they could work with and really pull in with clinicians if they're already under care to make a difference for their patients. If you look at the history of CompanionMx, there's a lot of MIT, right? So going forward, what can MIT offer us to help us even more? And I think it boils down to, in multiple ways. So one is where we are already starting to see some of these benefits. Is just going to the MIT Management Conference last week was extremely helpful. We got to talk to several partners with whom there might be a fit, right? So one is just giving us, through the STX program, through the ILP program, getting in touch with the right individuals and the right organizations, having that exposure and being in an environment where both us and the partner company are interested in talking to each other, right? So that's sometimes half the battle. So that's one. Two is the being part of the ecosystem, MIT ecosystem, as an MIT alum, and also as a company, as a technology that came out of MIT that we are working with. Being part of the ecosystem is extremely helpful because this enables us to think about where else we want to go, right? So for example, healthcare is a very big topic at MIT today. Healthcare analytics is a huge topic at MIT today. And really staying close to that helps us understand, as we build from a data science standpoint, from a technology capability standpoint, as we think about that, it helps us really tap into the right thinking points, right viewpoints, right technologies early, so that we can leverage some of those technologies where appropriate and really shorten the time between an idea and making a difference to patients' life, right? So that we are able to do by being part of the ecosystem. And the third part, I would say, straight up from being part of the ecosystem, is we will be building out our team. Would love to get more MIT alums in there, and that's going to be across the board. Once again, I'm obviously a little biased being an MIT alum, but MIT is hands down the best institute in the world, has great students, so would love to tap into that network to build out our team.